Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Sure Lock & Key channel. Today we're diving into a game changer for your home and office security: keyless entry systems. If you're considering upgrading your locks or want to know more about this innovative technology, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Keyless locks operate by entering a numerical code on a keypad. While they offer great convenience, many people question their security. These locks have gained significant popularity in Baton Rouge over the years, leading to frequent inquiries about whether they outperform traditional key lock systems. Are they easier to install, safer, or more expensive? Like any modern technology, keyless locks come with both advantages and disadvantages that should be carefully considered before making the switch for your home. There are 3 key advantages to choosing a keyless door lock system for your home, making them an excellent and secure option for safeguarding your property. The primary reason people switch from traditional locks to keyless ones is to eliminate the need for carrying a house key. With keyless entry, there's no concern about losing or misplacing your key. Just enter the code to unlock the door. Another benefit of a keyless entry system is that you no longer need to make extra keys for relatives or visitors. Simply provide them with the access code and instructions on how to properly lock and unlock the door. Curious about who enters and exits your home and when? You can program individual codes for each family member, relative, or friend. This allows you to track who has accessed your home while you were away. The benefits of keyless entry mentioned above might suggest it's the best option for home security, but it's important to also consider the potential problems with keypad door locks. Here are some of the most common issues. As with any technology that uses a password, there is a risk of hackers gaining access. Hackers might break into the system or simply guess the code. Additionally, sometimes a teenage family member might share the code with a friend. A keyless locking system can be significantly more expensive than a traditional one, often costing twice as much. While prices vary, customers should anticipate paying more for the convenience that keyless locks offer. Because a keyless entry lock is electrical, it can stop working, especially as batteries don't last forever. This could leave you locked out of your home or unable to lock the door when leaving. While these locks do have a warning system for low battery, it only lasts for a limited time. When deciding if keyless locks are right for your home, consider who will be using the door and if they might have trouble with the lock type. The goal of keyless locks is to simplify your life. Research different brands to find the best system for your needs. Installing a keyless entry system can be challenging, but Sure Lock & Key is here to help. Our experts handle everything from installation to troubleshooting, ensuring your system is set up securely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and updates. Find more information on our Instagram. Stay safe and secure with Sure Lock & Key.